Welcome to Flutter Teacher. In this small UI tutorial, we'll understand how to create this Instagram story profile. So without wasting time, let's get started. As usual, I have started from a blank application. We have a material app, and inside this we have the Instagram story profile as the home. So let's jump in this file. You can see we have a blank application made here, and inside this center uh, basically, in order to create that particular profile, we need to use two different containers. One is for holding the gradient and another is for holding the image. So first of all, let's create a container that will hold our gradient colors. So let's use here say container. Let's use width of 150 and I will use same height 150. So I'm using a little bigger width and height so that you guys can see it properly. Then let's use your decoration. Let's go with say box decoration, and very important thing, we should make this shape as box shape dot circle so that it should appear in a circle form. Then we need to use here the gradient, and I'm going to use here linear gradient. Now this particular gradient has to begin from the position called bottom left. That's why I will use here alignment dot bottom left. So it will start from the bottom left, and the gradient has to end, that is it has to finish at the position called top right. So I will use here alignment dot top right. Perfect. Now why it is giving error? Because we have not passed the colors for this, so we have to pass colors. This is the important parameter here, and I already copied the colors for you guys. So let's save this, and you can see we have got this nice linear gradient here. And to improve the performance, we must use const here, save the code and format. As I told you, we need to use one more container for holding the image, and basically I'm going to use that container as a child of the first container. Hope you understood what I'm saying here. Then again use here container, and we don't need to pass width and height, it will automatically get that one. But very important thing is we should use a margin here. So let's use your const and then use the margin. So I'm using a margin of 5 pixels. Then we need this decoration again. So let's use here box decoration. The important thing is shape, so let's use your box shape dot circle so that it will appear in circle as usual. Then we need a border here. Why we need a border? Because in order to show that white color border around the image, we need a border. So for this we'll use border dot all, and let's use say width of 5 pixels and color. Yeah, of course we need white color here, so let's use here colors dot white. So that will allow us to get that white color border around the image. So, and the last thing is we need to use image here. So obviously this has to be in the form of decoration image, and inside this we need the image parameter, and I'm going to use network image here. So let's save it. Nice, we got this image. And now yeah, we need to use box fit property here. So let's use your fit, and we have to use here say box fit dot cover so that it should cover entire space available. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. If you really found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification button to get my latest videos.